Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork jhir. First, you will need about 1 pound of pork belly or loin, cut into 1-inch cubes. Next, prepare your marinade by combining freshly ground ginger and garlic, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder with salt to taste. Mix in 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, and if you like, half a cup of plain yogurt. Thoroughly coat the pork and let it marinate for at least 2 hours, or even better, overnight for maximum flavor. Now that your pork is beautifully marinated, it is time to prepare for grilling. If you are using bamboo skewers, remember to soak them in water for at least 30 minutes. This prevents them from burning on the grill. Carefully thread about 4 or 5 marinated pork cubes onto each skewer, ensuring they are not packed too tightly. This allows for even cooking. Finally, preheat your grill to a steady medium-high temperature, getting it ready for the delicious cooking ahead. With your grill hot and skewers ready, it is time to cook. Place the pork skewers directly onto the preheated grill. Grill them for about 7 to 8 minutes per side, turning every 2 to 4 minutes to ensure even cooking and a beautiful char. You want the pork to be thoroughly cooked through, with a lovely smoky exterior. Remember to adjust the grilling time based on the thickness of your pork pieces and your preferred level of doneness. Once your pork jhir is perfectly grilled, remove it from the heat and let it rest for just a couple of minutes. This helps the juices redistribute, keeping the meat tender and flavorful. Serve your delicious pork jhir immediately, perhaps with a fresh squeeze of lemon juice for a bright finish. It is wonderful as a standalone appetizer or as part of a larger meal with sides like beaten rice and spicy potatoes. Enjoy this fantastic, flavorful dish.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.